Welcome to Lukman IAS. Study general studies with Lukman IAS for building comprehensive knowledge, thorough understanding, and a good perspective, which are essential ingredients of UPSC for getting top rank in civil services examination. Lukman IAS students have secured top ranks in the UPSC, which helped them in getting into top services, including Indian Administrative Services, Indian Foreign Services, and Indian Police Services. GS paper 2 and 4 will be taken by S. Ansari, and other papers will be covered by renowned faculties. So, Lukman IAS becomes the obvious choice. The renowned faculties are Lakshmi Kant for Geography, Ecology and Environment, Professor Mustaba Hussain for Art and Culture, Dr. Jia for History, and Abhijit Jha for Society. It is the pre-cum-means batch with integrated guidance program, which consists of prelims, means and interview. The course features are thorough discussion of all topics, printed resource materials, performance assessment tests, weekly current affairs and editorial discussion classes, daily The Hindu newspaper analysis, 3000 MCQs for practice and CSET classes. Let's know how the GS Foundation has comprehensiveness. The morning begins every day with daily Hindu analysis, then classes held as per the GS section by the faculty. In the evening, daily current affairs note is given. On Saturday, writing practice is done for 45 minutes with mentoring. On Sunday, current affairs class is held. Hence, if one follows the schedule for 10 months, one will have a very strong preparation from foundation to the advanced level. Live classes are as effective as offline classes. The classes are highly interactive in nature. Your doubts and queries will be addressed and there will be dictation of notes. A weekly schedule will be given in the video. Every emerging institution is not successful, but all successful institutions have been emerging. In the last 10 years, Lukman IAS has set up a niche in the field of UPSC guidance. So, why to wait? Contact us today for more information.